Greetings to all those who are watching this video. This is a very simple proposal for increasing the learning scalability, and how can I contribute into that? My name is Dhananjay Gokhale and you can call me DG. The basic driving force behind this particular proposal is the mission which I had set in the year 2000, is almost 20 years, and this has definitely contributed a lot to all the new things and innovative things that I am doing, and this proposal is also one of them. The mission is to generate sustaining interest, to develop the apt mindset for leaders and project and program managers while creating intrinsic willingness to learn, implement and grow with the attitude of collaborative excellence. And with this mindset, I would like to present a simple proposal to you. This proposal fundamentally helps to counter the current constraint and transform it as a boon in disguise. To cut a long story short, my proposal offers 4 things. You save money, I save time, learners get more value, and we together scale up. Now let's try to understand this through an illustration. And for the illustration, I have considered some portion of the current design. Through this illustration, I will also explain how the proposed design will work. As an illustration, let me take an example from the current design. Now, current design is basically based on instructor-led training programs, and that too class-based, that is physically instructor-led training program, also known as class training. I am considering 2 representative sessions. These are the sessions that I conduct in my project management workshop. So basically this session is a representative portion. So if you see, there are 2 sessions that I have illustrated on this particular slide: PM fundamentals, the initiation perspectives of the project, the definition of the project charter, and so on and so forth. Now if you see, the total time that is invested in the class program is 330 minutes, in which I explain concepts also, I explain assignments as well. We discussed on the assignments and we also have some practical discussions. Now let's understand the proposed design. It is well tested design because I have already conducted this for 8 courses. I once again would request you to pay attention to the last 2 columns, that is type and the duration, where you will see the basic difference. Now what is the difference? The current design needs 330 minutes to be in the class. I invest that much time interacting with the participants. However, that portion is covering the basic part as well, the conceptual parts as well, the discussions on the assignments as well, participants solving the assignments on their own, and then practical discussions. Now this is where I have brought in the real differentiator. Now for example, if you see the new design, the basic concepts, the primary concepts, I have transformed into my own videos. So I'll be providing those videos to the participants through LMS. The biggest advantage is that participant can go through my videos time and again. Further, in class, the participants used to solve the assignments and the quizzes. That I have transformed onto LMS, Learning Management System. So participant can go through the quizzes time and again. Now having gone through the fundamental videos, the basic concepts are cleared through my videos, having solved the quizzes, the participant will join in the class, either physically led training program or virtually instructor led training program. And hence I can reduce my presence in the class from 330 to 120 minutes for the session that we are discussing, and the ratio is same for all the sessions that I have designed. And I personally feel that is the biggest value addition, and this has really helped me in reducing the price of my offering. So now I need not be there for a whole 330 minutes, and participants are also not reducing the values that they are seeking. I am present thoroughly for 120 minutes, and in fact, since participants have gone through the basics, their questions will be more powerful and their learning will be much more than that used to be happen in the interactive session. So I would call this as a blended model. Now let me explain how this particular session is connected and how it will be transformed once we start using the proposed design. If you see the technology tech column there will be MCQs. These are the quizzes. Then there will be different movie clips. Lots of movie clips I'll be using from the interviews that I have conducted with different industry professionals. I have conducted almost 12 interviews of 2 hours, and all these people are professionals from different industries. And there are assignment submissions also and DG in person. Before that, participants will go through this sequential 4. They will see the welcome video. They will also go through the project management fundamental videos, all on 5 to 15 minutes. Immediately after that, they will have a quiz, and before they unless they complete the quiz, they will not be able to go through the next session of the objective of the project managers. Again, there is a quiz there. There will be a lot of videos inserted in between through these videos, and there will be quizzes on that as well. Then we have the videos on the concept of business and the project, concept of project sponsor, and the concept of project charter, the overall initiating concepts of the project. Again, you see the quiz there. So every initial foundational concepts, there are quizzes, there are videos. So this is what I mean by participants going through a very, very rigorous yet interesting program. Now to give you a quick picture of comparison of the design, if you see the current design, total interaction time is 5.5 hours. Even in proposed design, the total interaction time is 5.5 hours. It is bifurcated. Now in the current design, DG's in-person interaction is 5.5 hours, whereas in proposed design, it is categorized into virtual interaction, that is through Zoom, that I said 120 minutes, 2 hours. My own videos, participants will get for 1.5 hours, and LMS-based questions and quizzes and assignments that they will get for 2 hours. Remember, this description is for a given topic. Of course, all the topics have similar kind of proportion, and hence, as I said in the beginning, this is a wonderful representative topics that I have selected. Now let us understand the impact of the new design on the number of participants attending per batch and the cost per participant as well. There is absolutely no impact on the number of participants attending per batch. Even in the current design, the past design, we always accommodated 15 to 20 participants per batch. Even in the new design, we can accommodate 15 to 20 participants. Now the cost per participant is rupees 3,500, and remember, this cost is for approximately 6 hours of worth learning. Now the same cost goes to 2,400 in the new design, and that is the biggest advantage. Like I said, this proposal gives you 4 perspectives. You save money, I save time, learners get more value, and we together scale up. I am proposing 30% reduction in the charges that I charge you, that I have mentioned in the earlier slides as well. It is also helping me to save my time. The moment I make my videos available, the learners are getting amazingly benefited. It's a self-paced move. They have quizzes with the instant feedbacks. There are lots of videos from the industry professionals that they can watch, and the most advantageous part is that when they get the DG's videos, that is my videos, they can play it time and again for their own references. And after the concepts are clear and the assignments are signed, then the interactive sessions will be more qualitative. And how can we scale up? We can have 3 to 4 batches per 2 months also. As I said, 2 batches per month is definitely possible. There is no need of follow-ups from the L&D team would need, because all these things are interwoven, nicely governed. The quiz reports and the detailed program reports, participants' performance is immediate. So this is how our 4 pillars are contributed. I sincerely thank you for being patient, and I personally believe this proposal is simple and it will definitely increase the learning scalability with the value proposition increase as well. Thank you so much once again.